Welcome to another energetic news update from Certrec, your source for regulatory insights and energy innovation. The Georgia Public Service Commission has approved a major expansion plan by Georgia Power to meet rapidly growing electricity demand, particularly from large load customers such as data centers and advanced manufacturing facilities. The approved plan allows Georgia Power to acquire nearly 9,900 megawatts of new generation capacity, supported by a projected $16.3 billion capital investment program. Key elements of the plan include expanding generation resources to meet projected large load growth, enhancing long-term grid reliability and system planning, and incorporating safeguards designed to protect residential and small business customers from undue cost impacts. Georgia Power states that this expansion will strengthen grid resilience and ensure reliable service for both existing customers and the substantial new demand expected in the coming years. For more updates on power sector trends, energy planning, and regulatory news, visit RegSource by Certrec. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on the energy developments shaping America's future.